PC so big I got it recorded in 9:16. I have acquired this masterpiece for a mere $0, which is also 0 liras, with a lot of free extra features, like this tasty gooch right here, and a lot of scratches. What matters is the gaming part of this. That's right, that's what I want to do with this game. It's powered by Asus and Gigabyte, but more on that now. The dust of the damned. Ooh, this thing needs a good bit of cleaning. Cut my hand, I gotta clean this immediately. That's sorted. Delicious. We got not one, but 2 RAM sticks. Kingston RAM stick. For a second, I thought this said something else. I'm glad it didn't. But how much is it? Well, I guess that's gonna be a surprise then. People these days would kill for this. I got it for free. What else do we have here? Oh, a GPU. A Radeon HD 5750. In other words, a GPU from 2009. Consider my expectations lowered. It's separating time. I had not seen this connector. It would probably be a good idea to change this thermal paste. Vapor X? Well, it's your lungs on the line, X. But seriously, what is Vapor X? Well, it says Sapphire. This is a Sapphire Radeon HD 5750. Well, it certainly ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. 1 GB of VRAM. I mean, bless this thing. I'm sure it had its good times, but we are in 2026. I seriously doubt it's gonna run AAA games, but if it does, it's only gonna make it sweeter. It says GDDR5. Honestly, didn't expect the motherboard to run GDDR5 GPUs.
Great success.
Speaking of motherboard, Asus USB BIOS flashback. Now what's that about? I suppose it's this little button here. That's quite practical actually, if we have to reset the BIOS. This behemoth here is probably hiding the CPU. Yeah, the CPU is gonna be a surprise. I don't want to take this thing off. And we've got not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 hard drives. Well, one of them is an SSD, which only makes it better. Guys, I gotta remind you, this was for free. Like, damn! You know what really surprised me?
No.
They have coolers for the hard drive. I have never seen that before. A 520 watt power supply by the fine people from Cooler Master, but I'm kind of struggling to see the Gigabyte part in this motherboard. I do not know of what use these turning feet are, but it's cool. I'm glad it's here. I've got a lock here as well. This is a really interesting PC. Oh no, someone is not gonna like this, but I do. Optical media, good. Got a wide variety of ports here too. An eSATA port, a power eSATA port, something audio related. Well, SPDIF means Sony Philips Digital Interface Format, and to my understanding, it's for audio transfers. The old PS2 port is here as well. And I also forgot to mention, but this thing has a Blu-ray player. Damn! As if the PC wasn't enough, we've got the keyboard and mouse for free as well. I just noticed a formerly alive insect was also living inside of that PC. Now you might be wondering, how did I get all of this for free? There's a sweet little program here in Germany called Kleinanzeigen, where people can resell or give away stuff and you can buy it or get it for free. And well, I was lucky enough to find this PC close by and I just went ahead and got it. And now here we are. Well, ain't this a fine gaming setup, completely on the floor, and our gameplay will be displayed by this monitor sponsored by KTC. This is the KTC H27T6 gaming monitor. It has a fast IPS gaming panel and QHD high resolution. We are booted up into Uncharted 4 and man, look at these colors. This KTC monitor makes such a huge difference compared to all other TVs or monitors I personally own. 210 Hz, high refresh rate. This is the first time I am experiencing 120 FPS or more than 60 FPS in general, and it is glorious. It feels so smooth, man. There is no screen tearing, no ghosting. It looks so clean and it feels so buttery smooth. I love it so much. And 1 millisecond GDG response time, so basically no input lag. It has advanced adaptive sync and HDR400 support, ergonomic comfort and eye care, and versatile connectivity and very sleek design. And I mean, look look at this. This thing is nothing short of a beauty. It even has a RGB light at the back, and you can even change the color of the RGB in the back. This is the first monitor I have, which has above 60 Hz. I am looking forward to the gameplay with this, not gonna lie to you. This is KTC, a very budget-friendly monitor where you get a bang for your buck. To the point it's way too good compared to everything else we're working with today. I am Hackin' Josh, and I approve this message. Well, all that build up, and we don't even know if it'll launch. Geronimo! What was that? That did not sound good. What? What does that mean? 1 long and 3 short beeps means GPA failure? Did I break something? Well, the cooler isn't spinning, so there must be something wrong. I am the definition of incompetent. I didn't plug in the power supply. Here's open, the GPU made it with the motherboard. Don't let me down, please. Yeah! Let's go! Damn, we've got 16 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, it's DDR3, but still, that's impressive. And an Intel Core i7-3930K with 320 gigahertz. Damn, how did I get this for free? Am I overrating it?
Yes.
Enter the BIOS. What a flashy BIOS. I am genuinely loving it so far. Temperatures seem to be fine as well. We can set up our system performance as well. I think normal is fine. I'm so much worse than billionaires who fly with their private jets. This is cool and all, but we also need an OS, don't we? Our tasty USB stick returns. Nah, it's only got 1 gigabyte. Our less tasty Philips USB stick returns. It's got Tiny 10 on it. I know what you're gonna say. Install Linux. Windows sucks. I agree, but also Windows kinda just works. This is what comes up when I want to install Windows. This is a sign. Bow, chicka, bow, bow, bow. It's Linux time. Well, Linux ain't playing nicely so far either. I see nothing but darkness in it. Well, it took you long enough, but I can always depend on you, Linux. Install Linux Mint. Your name, Shakwilius Thornstein. Almost finished copying files. I can feel the gamer inside me coming. We be Linuxing on it till it mint. This sweet program is gonna be of use for sure. This is what I like about Linux Mint. There's an update manager, no complicated shenanigans with the terminal, which granted might ruin the experience for some, but I am not some. Now I know you might be asking, why Linux Mint? It's bloated. Now let me tell you, my hungry shit-eating ass is not gonna install Arch Linux. I just can't handle it. Now that we have blessed this PC with Linux, it's time to curse it with games. I know this will ring a bell. Well, it says install, so... You son of a... Why would you do this? Off to a good start. Well, dress my hair and fight a bear. It just works. Only took a relaunch. And to retain the spirit of greed I have displayed in this video, I will test out Half-Life 2, which I've gotten for free as well. So everything from the games to my dignity remains free. I just realized something that'll cause us huge problems. Our stinky little GPU does not have Vulkan support, which will severely limit us on Linux because the translation layers used to run non-native Linux games like, for example, Need for Speed Heat, use Vulkan-based programs like DXVK. There's still some tricks we can use to run these games on Linux, but the performance is gonna suffer severely. What I want to say is after Half-Life 2, this is not gonna be a pleasant experience, and I have some ambitious plans. Yeah, that is probably very useful considering the GPU totally supports Vulkan. Half-Life 2 I have freeloaded off Steam. Go! White bar blocking 1/4 of the view. Well, at least it's gone now. Now there's a black bar. Well, so far it looks a little bit too good. It shouldn't be running this well, but we will push it to its limit. Anti-aliasing to the max. Motion blur enabled. Yeah, this seems painful for the PC. Why is the font so tiny now? The less we question it, the better. It pains me to say it, but so far this runs really well. 60 FPS constantly, very low RAM usage, 10% CPU usage. Are you kidding me? Come on, Explosion, cause it to go down. Nope, I've just taken some damage. Hello, are you a friend? No, you're not. Gotcha. I'm very good at this game. Ooh, headshot. Got your ass. No, don't do that. Haha. Any last words? You will now be blown away. I do not like you robots. Stop it. It's not stopping. Oh, now I'm dead. Well, that was great, but I don't think we should escalate things. This is a very old game after all, so I do not think we should go too far. Just GTA 5 Enhanced from Epic Games, which I hate because it was free. Now, before we try out GTA 5, let's quickly brush over other things this PC can do. Searching something in a browser. Very good, not what I was searching. Video playback. Very cool. So I just downloaded GTA 5 on my Steam Deck, connected the SSD per adapter with the Steam Deck, and I'm now transferring the game to the SSD because it took way too long to download on this PC. I love technology. The calm before the storm. Just remind you, it's the enhanced version. The system requirements of enhanced. This PC's doom begins now. An error has occurred. Unable to install prerequisites. Please try reinstalling the game. Yeah, sorry, not sorry. I can't handle launcher shenanigans. Look what you're making me do, Rockstar. I gotta install a crack, even though I legally have the game. Gaben was right. Piracy is a service problem, but I'm also greedy. Does the no launcher crack work? It says play again, so I don't think it does. I really should have just installed Windows. Okay, hold on. Maybe the Wine version we installed isn't working with the Rockstar launcher. Heard Proton Experimental might work, so let's try that. Play. It is sad I'm so happy about such a shitty launcher. Launching. Oh yeah, sure. Not like you've wasted my time already. Oh, come on. Fine. What do you mean by now? I own this game. I hate the Rockstar launcher. Well, turns out my mistake previously was launching the Play GTA V exe file directly instead of launching the game from Epic Games, which is why GTA 5 did not authorize on the Rockstar store. Epic Games launcher with Proton Experimental. Go. Man, you.
Well, I see you at work.
Ludris is shitting its pants. Heroic Games launcher it is. We are gonna run GTA 5, and if it kills me or mildly infuriates me, it says playing. Are you kidding me? Because the GPU does not have Vulkan support, we might have to add this variable, which makes the game run with OpenGL to make it run, because if not, I don't know what to do. Yeah, this isn't gonna launch, but don't go away. I have a solution. Problem. Solution. R7-240 with 2 GB of VRAM. Now don't get me wrong, this isn't a great GPU, but it supports Vulkan. It was free. My father just saw it outside for free when taking a walk, so lucky for us, I guess. Yeah, that's good enough. My utmost gratitude to your services, which is no longer needed. And we can increase the resolution with this one. That's crisp. Now, is it actually gonna run GTA? Well, Heroic was a failure, but might work from Epic Games. GTA 5 is in my library now. Okay, that's a good sign. My heart is beating at an unhealthy rate. We are getting so close.
Yummers.
No, but it should support DirectX 12. See, it does support DirectX 12. The enhanced version isn't gonna make it. Legacy Edition it is then. The moment we've been waiting for. Will this PC theft any auto? 5. We did it! I told you I won't pay money for a game. You hear me, Kim Jong-un? Don't think any person ever was this excited to play GTA 5. CPU usage at 99% already. This is a rough start. 16 gigabytes of video memory? I think it's mixing up video memory and memory in general. I mean, everything is turned off and we still have barely 20 FPS in the main menu. It might be a better idea to just leave it at that, but the resolution is gonna stay. I'm gonna make this thing suffer. I am truly sorry for what I'm about to do, PC. I can hear things happening, but visually there's not much. Wow, okay. We're going frame per decade here. Wow, this is horrible. Oh, the minimap's loaded. I can kind of appreciate the environments here. I didn't know it was Christmas. Hold on. The game was running with OpenGL because a previous GPU didn't have Vulkan support. Maybe removing this shit-ass command might make it run properly. What about now? At least we now know that GTA 5 does not run on high settings. That saved a lot of video memory. Oh, come on, dude. I turned everything down. We're still getting 1 FPS. Well, it says it's compiling shaders. Will it then become buttery smooth? Oh, now we're getting 3 FPS.
Great success.
Yeah, this is pointless. GTA 5 is too much for this GPU. Well, at least you tried, and I appreciate that. It just wasn't enough. If I entertained you, like, subscribe, don't buy this GPU. Thanks for watching.
Fab5 Freddy told me everybody's fly. DJ spinning, I said my. Flash is fast, flash is cool.